Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we'll learn about schemas in data warehouse. So let's start. In general terms, schemas means logical structure. So data warehouse schemas describe the logical structure of data warehouse. For example, if you want to build a house, then first thing we need is design of the house. Same as if we want to implement a data warehouse, then we need the schema as the design of data warehouse. The schema includes the name and description of records of all record types, including all associated data items. To implement data warehouse, there are mainly three types of data warehouse schemas: star schema, snowflake, and fact constellation or a galaxy schema. But before understanding schemas in details, let's understand three most important terms: fact, dimensions, and measure. The most important goal of OLAP is analysis of historical data, and most important thing in analysis are the numbers. So with the OLAP application, we'll get those numbers. We'll like to forecast them. We'll like to analyze them for a better business growth. This number can be a product-wise sales, total population, age-wise salary, etc. These numbers are the term as measures. So as you are seen in a table, here the number 4,000 unit and 15,000 rupees are the numbers. So these numbers are called the measures. And the fact measure are stored in the fact table. Dimension describes what this measure actually is. For example, on table you can see we have two measures, 4,000 units and 15,000 rupees. One dimension is a product-wise sales and another dimension is a age-wise salary, and these dimensions are stored in the dimension table. So measures are numbers that we want to analyze, and the dimension talks more about measures. They describe the measures, or we can say that dimension describes the measures. So measures are stored in the fact tables and the dimensions are stored in the dimension tables. Also, the fact table contains the primary key of the dimension table as well as measures, while the dimension table provides undescript information for all the measures in the fact tables. As shown in figure, we can see that there are 4 dimension table and 1 fact table. Fact table contains the primary key of all 4 dimension tables and also their own measures. So here we can see that there are 4 dimension table: product, state, salesperson, and country in the 1 fact table. So the fact table contains the primary key of all the dimension table, which is a salesperson ID, country ID, product ID, and state ID, as well as it also contains their own measure such as a customer ID, customer name, customer amount, which are the measures. So this is a basic explanation of what is a dimension table and what is a fact table. So I hope you all now cleared with the dimension table and fact tables. Now let's understand the first schema, which is the star schema. Star schema is the simplest designing technique or a simplest database designing schemas in the OLAP system. In the star schema, the center of the star can have one fact table and a number of associated dimension tables. It is known as a star schema as its structure resembles the star because there is one fact table which located at the center place, and other dimension tables generates the star design. The star schema is the simplest type of data warehouse schema. The basic structure enables star schemas to perform functionalities and can handle only a simple data mining queries. A fact table contains the keys to dimension tables, which can be referred by using the concept of foreign key. Each dimension table contains the information of attributes present in the fact table. So let's understand this with one example. Suppose there is one fact table electronic device and 4 dimension table for mobile, camera, laptop, and washing machine. So as I said, fact table contains the primary key of dimension table. So the fact table So the fact table contains a mobile key, camera key, washing machine key and laptop key. This is the primary key of the dimension table, and also their own fact, which is the total units and price. So now you can see that the shape is just like a star. That's why the name is a star schema. It is the simplest type of database schema because it contains the generalized information rather than the detailed information. And here you can see that each dimension table referring the fact table. It is said to be a star as its physical model resembles the star shape, having a fact table at center and the dimension table representing the star points. So this is the star schema. So suppose in exam you have a question like create a star schema with this dimension and this facts. So now what we have to do is we have to create one fact table and multiple dimension table. We have to put each dimension's primary key into the fact table, also the measures in the fact table, and dimension table contains the attribute information of each subject. Like so here in mobile dimension table contains the basic phones and smartphones. In dimension table camera it contains the digital, compact, DSLR and web camera. So each dimension table contains the attributes and each fact table contains the primary key plus measures. So this is the designing of star schema. From next lecture we'll learn about other two schema, which is a snowflake schema and galaxy schema. So that's it. Thank you for listening.